Ever feel like the universe is kind of working against you? Well, it turns out it is. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the secret rules that run literally everything. And we'll do it with a quick story. So, let's start with a question we have all asked at some point. Why does everything seem to, well, fall apart? Why does a clean room get messy all by itself? To figure this out, let's meet Arav. He's been wrestling with this exact same puzzle. Let's take a little peek into his day. So, he puts in the work, he cleans his room, gets everything into its perfect, orderly place. And it feels great, right? That little pocket of calm and control. But then, life happens. And without him really doing anything, it just naturally slides back into chaos. That feeling is universal. Okay, different example. Later, he makes himself a perfect cup of hot chocolate. It's warm, comforting, basically a little mug packed full of heat energy. And yet, you know what happens? That comforting warmth doesn't last. It just fades away, like it vanished into thin air. But did it? Where does that heat actually go? To understand that, we need to look at the universe's first big rule. And it's all about how energy is always on the move. This is the first law of thermodynamics, and it's actually pretty straightforward. Energy can't just be made or destroyed out of nowhere. So the heat from his chocolate didn't disappear. It just moved. So check this out. The heat energy literally escapes from the hot liquid and transfers into the cooler air in the room. The universe is always trying to balance things out, spreading energy from hot spots to cool spots until everything is kind of the same. Okay, that explains the cold chocolate, but it doesn't explain the messy room. For that, we need to look at the universe's most famous and, let's be honest, most frustrating rule. And here it is, the second law of thermodynamics. It basically says the natural direction for the universe is from order to disorder. And this unavoidable march toward total chaos, it's got a name, entropy. Think back to Arav's room. When it's tidy, it has low entropy. It's orderly. But it took effort to get it that way. The universe's default setting is the opposite, high entropy, a total mess. And it takes zero effort to get there. So that messy room, it's not a personal failure. It's literally a fundamental law of physics playing out in real time. That shift from order to chaos is simply inevitable. So, what does this all mean for Arav and for us? What are we supposed to do with this information? It means that once you understand these laws, it's like putting on a new pair of glasses. Suddenly you can see the invisible forces that are at play all around you, driving everything. So let's just recap. 1, energy is never lost, it just gets transferred.